Hello everyone. Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to the French desk. Today I've brought to you lesson 1, the third part of lesson 1. And today we'll be discussing l'accord des adjectifs, that is agreement of adjectives. As we all know, in French, adjectives agree with number and gender of the noun. Let us learn how to make an adjective feminine. The first one, to make an adjective feminine, usually E is added to the masculine form. So now petite means small in masculine singular form, and if you want to change it to feminine singular, you simply add an E at the end. Likewise, intéressant becomes intéressante, court becomes court. Intéressant means interesting, court means short. So if you want to say this is an interesting girl, so you will use this, intéressante fille. Okay, petite fille. So moving on to the next one, the adjectives remain same in the feminine form if an adjective ends with E. So if we have an adjective that already ends in E, it remains the same in the feminine form. We do not add anything to it. Difficile remains difficile, jeune, rouge, mince. Difficile means difficult, jeune means young, rouge means red, and mince means thin. So these adjectives remain the same in both masculine and feminine form. Adjectives ending with eau in the masculine change from eau to ellel. So beau means handsome. The feminine adjective for this will be belle, which means beautiful. Nouveau, which means new, changes to nouvelle, which also means new, but we'll be using nouvelle with the feminine singular form. Some irregular adjectives are made feminine by doubling the final consonant and adding an E. For example, these are very important. You should remember these, how to change them into feminine form. Bon, which means good, becomes bon. We have doubled the consonant, that is double N, and then we have added an E. Ancien, which means ancient or old, becomes ancienne. Gros, which means fat, becomes gros. Bas becomes basse. Gentil becomes gentil. So this is how the final consonant is doubled and E is added. Okay. So this was about changing masculine singular to feminine singular adjectives. Let us now learn how to make these adjectives plural. Normally, we make adjective plural by adding an S. Mince, thin, grand, which means big, bleu, which is blue, and bon, which is good. These are the adjectives in singular form, and to turn them into plural, you will simply add an S at the end. So mince, grand, bleu, bon. The pronunciation remains the same. You just have to keep in mind the spelling. Second one, however, the plural form remains the same for the adjectives ending with S and X. This is a general rule. All the nouns and adjectives that end in S and X, to turn them into plural, we do not add anything additional. So épais, which means thick, remains épais. Mauvaise remains same, which means bad. Gros remains gros. Vieux, which means old, remains the same. Gros means fat. Okay. Formation of plural by adding an X to the adjective ending with O. Beau will change to beau with an X in the plural form. Nouveau, which means new, will change to nouveau with an X in the plural form. Exceptions. Pay attention to the exceptions. Wear, which ends in X, in the masculine singular avec voel. Okay. It changes to VL in feminine singular. Masculine plural wear changes to VA in feminine plural. So this will change to this will change to this, and this is an exception, VA, which you have to write whenever you have the noun that starts with a vowel or with H. So if you want to write old hospital, hospital, here H is silent, so we pronounce it as hospital, right? So here you would use this masculine singular. You would write VAE hospital. Okay, so this is what it means. Les adjectives, some adjectives which you should add to your vocabulary list and learn them. Tall or big is grand, grand. Small is petit or petite. Thick is épais or épaisse. Thin or slim is mince, mince. Fat is gros, gross. Old or ancient is ancien, 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 ancien. New is nouveau or nouvelle. Young is jeune or jeune. Old is vieux or vieille. Kind or nice is gentil et gentil. Naughty is méchant or méchante. Lovable is aimable, aimable or aimable. Long is long or long. Short is court or court. Interesting is intéressant, intéressant. Boring is ennuyeux, ennuyeuse. Happy is heureux, heureuse. Sad is triste or triste. Friendly is sympathique, sympathique. Unfriendly is antipathique, antipathique. Cheerful is souriant, souriant. High is haut et haute. Low is bas or basse. Wide is large ou large. Wonderful is formidable ou formidable. Stupid is bête, bête. Strong is fort et forte. So you should remember this list very well. Now coming on to the vocabulary. Calm, calm. Cher, expensive. L'ambiance, the atmosphere or the ambience of a place, the surrounding. L'animal is animal. L'eau is water. La bibliothèque is library. La croix is cross. La leçon. You should keep in mind and slowly, as in when you read the chapters again and again and you come across the same words multiple times, you should side by side try to remember their gender, whether masculine or feminine. You will be able to do all your questions related to adjectives and plural forms correctly. La rime is rhyme. La souris is mouse. Le bal is ball. Le bateau boat. Le carnaval carnival. Le clou nail. Le cou is neck. Le joujou is a toy. Le journal is newspaper. Le pneu is a tire. Le prix is a prize. Le recital is a recital. Le restaurant. Le travail is work. Le trou is a hole. Le vitrage is a glass window. Les bijoux means jewelry. Les couvertures means covers. Les deux means both. And pour means for. So this is all about this chapter, particular lesson 1. And in the next video, we'll be covering les exercises. Thank you so much and keep learning. Thank you.